number 4. So ito yung Team Mananenyo, Team Luzon. Tama ba? Then Team Visaya and Team Mindanao. Okay? So we will start with the Team Mananenyo. 3 minutes, where to start now? What is your first demonstration? This is what we call blanket type. Let's see if it's correct. Okay, correct. That is recovery position. Okay. So yung victim could be what? Conscious or unconscious? Unconscious. So definitely it is unconscious. Kasi kung conscious yung victim, we could ask the victim to go to the blanket right away. Correct. Another presentation. What do you call this one next? This is hammock carry. Who is the victim? Lay down. Again, this is the hammock carry.
Ready to lift up the victim? Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Walk. Okay. Move back. Pabalik na lang. Okay, go. Walk. Stop. Put down the victim.
Ready to put down the victim? Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Very good. We proceed to Team Luzon. What is your first presentation? Fireman's carry. Support ka lang po sila. Fireman's carry. Let's see the fireman's carry. Okay. Okay, walk. Okay, and put down the victim slowly. Yung head, careful. Okay, head. Okay, it's okay, you're doing good. Okay, then balik mo yung feet niya. Okay. Then yung arms niya. Correct, hindi na. Everyone's doing well, pero let's see with the judges who's singing best. This is what we call shoulder drop. What? Okay, put it down. Okay na. Proceed to Team Visaya. What is your first presentation?
Lift carries.
Lift carries. Okay. Support. Okay.
Are we ready to lift the victim?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go.
Walk. Put down the victim.
1, 2, 3, go.
Put down the victim. Okay. Remove.